Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about 3 tips that you can use in Kingdom Hearts 3. Let's get into it. Tip number uno would be actually taking your time to go ahead and explore these places. A lot of the time in Kingdom Hearts 3, I like to spend my time walking around pressing the lock on button, and it just locks onto whatever I can destroy, and oftentimes it's a secret like this. Wouldn't have discovered this if I didn't press the lock on button 24/7 constantly, because that Achilles heel looked to blend in and I was not thinking about Achilles at all. So I don't know, pretty lucky find by me. Ever since then I've just been walking around the game pressing lock on everywhere I go. Not a bad idea. I like to complete games 100%, and that means like getting all secrets and stuff. And if you aren't actually exploring and looking out for these areas, you might miss a couple of items that can be useful later for crafting, or just a couple of items that may be useful and later in general, and you don't want to miss out on those, so you generally want to explore. Tip number 2 I found completely randomly. I don't know if this is intended to be into the game, but you can sort of do an infinite combo to make SORA fly. Not really fly, he's more like dashing and resetting the cooldown of the dash by attacking in midair. So basically, how you want to do this glitch is you want to jump or jump off of a high place, walk off, and you're going to want to dash, hit, and then dash again. And if you time it correctly, then you should be able to do it infinitely. This can help with a number of things. The number one thing I think it can help with is speedrunning. But like you saw earlier, I was able to just dash over enemies' heads, and they couldn't really do anything about it. But just keep in mind that those enemies do still like exist there. They are still there, so if you walk back, they will still be there. And the last tip, aka the third tip, is to use any type of special move activated using triangle or Y on respective consoles when you're about to be hit. During this time, you are doing an action in which it cannot be interrupted. Just like how the Titan decided to stomp on me while accessing my second form, I took no type of damage whatsoever. So if you're in a tricky situation, maybe you have low health and you hear those annoying alarm bells and you don't want to die and see Sora's heart taken from him, maybe you should use this tip. It would save you from a lot of things. Well, that concludes my list of 3 tips and tricks for Kingdom Hearts 3. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and remember to like and subscribe. And I'm enjoying this game. I hope you guys are too. Comment down below if you're enjoying this game. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.